Today we're highlighting the Oklahoma Proven Plant Selections for 2023. Our tree for 2023 is this beautiful tree, which is the Trident maple, or Acer bergerianum. Now this species is actually native to China, Korea, and Japan, but is very tolerant and does very well here in Oklahoma. Now this is a gorgeous tree. It gets to about 20, 25, maybe 30 feet high, so it's kind of a small statured tree. It normally wants to grow as a multi-stemmed, low branching tree, but as you can see, you can also train it into a single trunk, and so it makes a great tree for the urban landscape. Now, this tree isn't very picky about its soils. It's actually quite tolerant of a wide variety of soils, and in fact, once it gets established, it's pretty drought tolerant. It tolerates soil compaction, it tolerates air pollution, which also makes it a great specimen for street plantings. Now the leaves are this beautiful bright green leaf. They're bright green above and a pale green below. They have, as I mentioned, 3 lobes with 3 main veins on them. In the fall, they can be variable in their fall color, but usually an attractive shade of red to orange or yellow. Now, this tree also has this beautiful flaky bark, and as it matures, as the outer bark flakes off, it reveals this orange-brown inner bark below. Now this tree does great in full sun or part shade, and as I mentioned, this is a great selection for the typical residential landscape because of its smaller stature, so great planted around the home, but it is often or frequently been used as a bonsai as well.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.